Storing your scrap doesn't have to look this messy. It's taking up valuable floor space, it's a health and safety risk, and it's a poor reflection on your company. Come and take a look at the unique solutions that are available to you. Large metal stillages. They can hold up to 1 metric tonne of material and they have a footprint of 2.3 square metres, and when stacked 4 high, you actually gain back 9.2 square metres of storage space, and they're ideal for bulky plastic. Small steel stillages. They have a footprint of 1.21 square metres, and when stacked 3 high, you gain back 3.6 square metres of storage space. They're ideal for smaller pieces of plastic or sheets on rolls like this PET. With a 1.2 square metre footprint, these plastic fold downs can go right alongside the production line, and when full, they can be stacked safely up to 4 high. Vanden provides space-saving stillages and will maximise the return on your floor space.